In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can invite participants to a scheduled Zoom meeting. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find your meeting details and how to share them clearly so everyone can join without confusion. Start by opening Zoom and signing in. You can do this either in the Zoom desktop app or through the Zoom web portal in your browser. Use whichever is most convenient. The process is almost identical in both places. Next, go to the Meetings section. In the desktop app, click the Meetings tab along the top or left side. In the web portal, look for Meetings in the left-hand menu. This is where all your upcoming and previous meetings are listed. Find the meeting you've already scheduled in your upcoming section and select it to open its details. Take a moment here to confirm the date, time, and time zone so you don't send an invitation with the wrong information. If you set the meeting to recur, make sure you're selecting the correct occurrence. Now copy the invitation. Click the Copy Invitation button. This grabs the full meeting information and places it on your clipboard in a clean, ready-to-paste format. It includes the join link, the meeting ID, the passcode if one is required, and dial-in phone details for participants who prefer to call in. Keeping the invitation intact is helpful because different attendees may use different join methods, and this ensures everyone has what they need. If you don't see the button immediately, make sure you're looking at the scheduled meetings details page. With the invitation copied, open your email app or your calendar app. Paste the invitation into the body of an email or the description of a calendar event. Add your participants' email addresses, include any notes or agenda items you want them to see, and set the correct date, time, and time zone if you're using a calendar entry. It's a good idea to put the Zoom join link right at the top so it's easy to find. For privacy, consider using BCC in email when sending to a large group. If your attendees are in different regions, remind them that dial-in numbers vary by country, and that the one included in the invitation may be the most convenient default. When everything looks right, send it out. That's all there is to it. If you later change the meeting time or settings, remember to resend the updated invitation so participants have the latest details.